Hello and welcome to Christ Center Gamers unboxing of the Torvo Dash Cam. It's 4K. It's got Wi-Fi, which I'm assuming is used to configure and sync it initially. But it's 4K I think in the front, and then it should have a 2K rear camera. So we'll see. This is we've reviewed a few dash cams. This is the first one that we've gotten from Torvo though. So let's check it out. Let's see what's inside. Okay, we have a user manual. We got installation procedure for hidden recorder? Hidden recorder. Okay. Alright, so this is actually all in English. Hey. Alright, cool. Alright, so a useful product manual. Alright, good. And you get the 64 gigabyte SD card, which is handy. Got a wedge, probably seems like a removal device. Alright, we gotta take off the little blue sticker. It's got some 3M tape here. We got a, I'm assuming that's, is that USB? Should be USB-C. It's got some buttons on the bottom here. It's like a, it's got a menu button, up, down, and OK. So I'm assuming, yeah. It's got to have a plastic cover because it's kind of, yeah, scratched. So it's alright. It's just the plastic that's scratched, not the. That's a big old screen. A couple inches there. Alright, so there's going to have to be some heavy duty tape because this is like solid. This part's metal, this part's plastic, so it's got some weight to it. So I don't know. Hope that puppy is not going to be falling a lot. That would be very inconvenient because I have had that happen with rear cameras. But so what else we got here? Cigarette lighter. You have the USB-C. I'm planning on putting this in my 2023 Subaru WRX, which I hope still has a cigarette lighter, but if not, I'll just have to use a long USB-C cable. But do cars come with these still? I don't know. And then, whoo boy. Alright, so then this is the rear camera, which is way smaller. It's got this is a long boy cable. So, and it just looks like an audio jack? Yep. Oh, this USB-C, this plugs in. I see. So you gotta figure out which end to charge it and which end is for the other camera. But okay, so that is a long cable. Alright, so I'm gonna set this puppy up, drive around with it for a bit. So stay tuned for our review. And I hope you found this video interesting. But yeah, stay tuned for the review and we'll post our thoughts on there. I'm just trying to get the card in. It's easier said than done. It's just not going in. Which way does this bad boy go? There we go. Alright, not impressed with the SD card slot. It's kind of weird, but hopefully it works. So, anyways, I'll get this set up and written soon. So thank you for watching. God bless.